Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about two sounds. Okay, as you can see there is S, H and T and H. Okay, so as for the first one is S, H produces sh, sh. As for the second one, T and H, which produces th, th. Okay, now let's start with some examples. As for sh, sheep, shoe, shark, fish, brush, sh. This sound is pronounced as sh. Okay, now let's see th, that's th. Example: thunder, thumb, three, bath and toot. So these are the sounds, you have to memorize them. Practice more, okay, with these sounds in order to master them. Okay, so see you next time. Thank you.